Welcome to this week's session with Putnam County District Library, Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we are going to take a look at what is AI. Actually, for the entire month here of July, we're going to take a look at various AI and artificial intelligence terms and information that is out there. So this week, looking at AI, which is the artificial intelligence. The a key definition is the ability of a computer or machine to do things that would normally require human intelligence. And basically, the computer is being trained to think like a human when you're using AI. So how it works, it combines large data sets with intuitive processing algorithms. Then they manipulate them by learning the behavior patterns. So it's kind of learning the natural, it's kind of like building habits like you or I would do. So everyday devices that use AI, one would be personal assistants, so Siri, Google Assist, Amazon Alexa, those all are integrated into your smartphones using AI. Social media, obviously, many of you'll see how when you maybe take a trip somewhere or you purchase something, then all of a sudden a lot of that information is coming up on your social media that matches what is currently happening in your life. Customer service. A lot of times anymore, even simple phone calls are happening with AI. Healthcare instead of health car, they're healthcare. You've got patient monitoring and medical imaging is happening with healthcare. You've got e-commerce, so like Amazon. Again, when you shop with Amazon, many times you'll see similar products and information come up. Vehicles, so self-driving cars are something that is using the AI with them. And then even your smart home devices, so like your thermostats that automatically you can set and change your lights, for example. Those are all everyday devices that are using AI. So the one thing that I wanted to, in addition, take a look at was just some sites and ways to use AI that are currently out there that you can see with a website how to go about that. So what I've got here is I've got 3 different sites just as an example. So we have here the TL DV. What this does is when you are doing anything that involves a meeting, and I know a lot of people anymore doing a Zoom type meeting or something online, you can actually have this record and it transcribes so that later you can summarize that call and use that information. So it's kind of just like as a little reminder for you. So that's one. The other one is something referred to as Durable. And this is a quick, easy way to actually build a website. So as you can see, the advertisement says in 30 seconds. But this will generate an entire website with images and copy information there for you. So say, for example, you maybe are starting up a side business of doing something that, a lot of times maybe when you see people put things on Etsy or such, you can generate and build a website right here in 30 seconds with AI. And then the last one is something called HeyGen. And with HeyGen, just like I'm doing now, if you want to do something with a presentation and maybe you don't like having the personal presentation happening and taking place right in front of individuals, so you want to record it ahead of time, what's nice with this is you can actually create this presentation And it even can use like an avatar. So if you don't want to have your image like you're standing in front of the group. Now, all of these, this HeyGen does have free, but then again, like all of these, there is a pricing structure to that, and the same thing with the durable as well as the TL.dv. Um, there are free options, but there's also paid options if you want to try those. For me, it's just kind of interesting to look at and see what's out there, what's being created actually using AI. So that is this week's session. It's just a little bit of a summary and some information of what AI is when you hear people talking about it. Hope everyone has a fantastic 4th of July.